Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever done this? You are in a hurry to clean up your computer and you accidentally press Ctrl+Z on a file you really need. You check the recycle bin and it's empty. Do you panic right away? Those important documents are all gone because of one small mistake. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you your files are not gone forever. In this video, I will share exactly how to recover files after you press Ctrl+Z by mistake. First, let's quickly understand how this works. When you press Ctrl+Z, your computer doesn't actually erase the file from your hard drive. It only removes the file's index, like tearing out the table of contents from a book. The book is still there, you just can't find it easily. As long as no new data overwrites that space, your file can be recovered easily. Here is the most important rule. Stop writing new data immediately. Don't download anything, don't save new files, and don't restart your computer. Every time you add new data to the drive, you risk overwriting your lost file. And once it's overwritten, it's gone for good. Before using professional software, try these quick free built-in Windows methods. They are simple and work fast. Method 1. Undo delete right after you press Ctrl+Z. Go back to the folder where your file was. Right-click, empty space and choose Undo delete. Or just press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. This only works if you haven't done anything else since deleting. It might not help after a few minutes, but it's always worth trying. Method 2. Check the file history. You turn on Windows Files History, the built-in backup tool. You can restore files from earlier backups, then select History. You will see older version of the folder. Find the version before you deleted the file, select it, and click Restore. If these two methods don't work, it's time to use PandaOffice Drecov. This tool is special, optimized for files deleted with Ctrl+Z. With an extremely high recovery rate, it can even bring back files you deleted days ago. It supports over thousands file formats, documents, photos, videos, audio, everything. And it's super easy to use, no tech skill needed. Let's go through it step by step. Step 1. Download and install PandaOffice Drecov. I've put the download link in the video description. Click the link, install the software, and open it. Important tip. Do not install it on the same drive where you lost your files. This avoids overwriting your data. Step 2. Select the drive and start deep scan. Open Drecov. Choose the hard drive or partition where your file was stored. Then click deep scan. Bypasses normal system rule and scan the hard drive directly to find hidden files fragments. Step 3. Filter and find your files quickly. The scan may take a few minutes depending on your drive size, but Drecov helps you find target files easily without going through thousands of results. Remember these two tricks. Trick 1. Type the file type or name it searching bar. This filters out junk. Trick 2. Sort by date modified. To match the exact time your files will jump straight to the top of the list. Step 4. Preview and recover. Even if the file name looks like messy code, very common after deletion, just click Live Preview to check if it's the file you need. If you can see the content, text, photo, or video, you're good to go. Click Recover and save it to a safe location. Never save it back to the original drive. That will overwrite your file. All done! Just in 4 simple steps, you go back to files you thought you were lost forever. I've tested it with all kinds of files: Word, Docs, Excel, Sheets, family photos, even video projects. Drecov recovers them every time. It's like a real life undo button for Ctrl+Z mistakes. One last quick tip. Drecov isn't just Ctrl+Z files. It also recovers files emptied from the recycle bin, files lost from system crashes, formatting, or even virus attacks. If this video helps you, please follow my channel, like, and save this video. See you next time. Bye!